Here's the app called OldRoll Vintage Film Camera. So quite nice app, really cool, easy to use and great design. So I will show you how it works. So OldRoll is a film analog camera app mimicking the most realistic experience of using an actual disposable or a film camera. We have curated for you a wide array of classic vintage cameras loved by photographers and shutterbugs throughout their decades, from instant camera, fisheye to Super 8mm video cam, each reproduced to its finest details, including the color, hue, grain, texture, and sometimes a few light leaks here and there for you to explore. So you can just download this. And then you have excellent analog cameras, classic M camera, inspired by Leica M6, in SP Polaroid filter, 500-3CW, classic SLR camera, toy F. So yeah, just that. And then also this app has a lot of kind of like photo or editor, video editor features. So yeah, let's just take a look at it. So here is the app. Here's how it looks like. So this is you just holding your phone horizontally, and then you have this view of the camera. In the bottom right, you can change the camera, like different layouts, wherever you want. And then, for example, then you have this. Then if you wanna, you can then just change again to, okay, so to change to another view, you need to upgrade. So, and then there is, for example, this one. Okay, so for this one, you need to upgrade. And then there are photo cameras or photo and videos. And some of those are really, really old school cameras from like 90s. But then here is, for example, classic Leica M camera, which you have in here. In the top, you can just switch basically, your camera direction. Then you can zoom in, I guess, or adjust. Okay, so that you just adjusting some settings. Then you can enable flashlight. Then there are a lot of settings where you can have auto save to gallery, save original image, save location, grid retouch. So a lot of, but anyhow, so for example, I'll just take a photo. And then I just took a photo with the button on the right. Then I have photos here available in the right side, and then I can just see it in here. So this is how it will look like. And the back is kind of also looks like this. And then yeah, you have some nice overview. Then you can also edit it. You can add additional filters to it, contrast, saturation, temperature, so additional editing. You can also deliver, so post office widget, add your best friend to home screen, capture a moment with OldRoll, and then you can just invite your code, and you can basically share the widgets with this app. So you can also install like a home screen widget. You can also just import any photos and generate these overviews like that. Then there is collage, which you can create. You can also just generate video in here. And yeah, so then you can see all your total photos and type of camera which took them. And then you can just go back to camera in here. So yeah, really cool app. It is quite advanced and easy to use. And sometimes if you just want to take these old school vintage photos, this is one of the best camera apps right now you have in here. So yeah, quite nice. So definitely take a look at it. So again, it's called OldRoll. There are a bunch of apps in this category. There's like Cam app, many others, but this seems to be very easy to use and it's very easy to set up. And yeah, let's also try to install the widget. So if I just tap plus and I want to search a widget. So then I can just install the widget. You can also receive films from your friend, daily memories as well. So it's quite cool widgets in here. And then I just tap in here. At the moment, it just shows me like the recently used camera, and if I tap on it, it will just open the recently used camera. But you can also install photos from your friends and so on. So yeah, there you have it.